Hey guys, it's your boy, we're back with another video. It's called It's Fucking My Fucking House. But we're back. So yeah. But instead of reading the manga, I'm going to watch the anime, see how it is, because it's 12 episodes. It's 11 volumes. So hopefully Mappa gets it all right, because I don't want to go read a manga to have to know what they missed in the anime. Oh. Wow. This looks like a movie, dude. Look at the animation. It's so fluent. Oh. What? We didn't go on a chain? Oh. Same. This was CGI. Oh, that was good. Mmm. This thing is wacky. Oh. What? Oh, okay. That was weird. Okay, I lied. We're gonna check out the ending as well. Go. What is all these dead bodies? Ooh. Mmm. Oh, dreams are mad. Okay. It was good, dude. Why is it so bloody? Jesus. I like his drip. Chainsaw blood. Okay. That was really good. That was really, really good. Like and subscribe. Yeah, have a good day where you guys live. Bye.